Vlogs with Nisi. Shout out to you, girl. What's poppin'? Oh, I'll be doing somebody hairstyles for the summer. This was requested. Hold on, Maddie just texted me. This video was requested a while ago, but I'm finally doing it. I just don't really do these type of videos because I don't think I really like them like that. I don't know. This hair that I got on, it's from DYHAIR777. I already got a wig like this, but I wanted another one because I'm like obsessed with this color. This hair is 20 inches. It's Brazilian hair. It's I think deep wave because these waves look so pretty. My wig is not glued on. It's really late right now, so I didn't want to glue it on because I'm about to take it right off anyways. But this hair will be in the description below. And yeah, so the first hairstyle is gonna be, my armpits look disgusting and I just shaved them like yesterday. Did a low ponytail. I took this piece out because I'm about to braid it up in a minute, and then I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. So then I'll braid these. Bro, it's so freaking hot. And then I'm gonna take a rubber band. The bottom, I just put this stuff. I'm gonna add one of these little accessory things. And then I'm gonna braid the other side. So this is the first one. I think it will look better on your real hair because you can slick down the ponytails more. I'll have these little owl thing on there. I'm sorry if you guys see my wake up. Oh, another one is you can just let your hair down and just have the two braids in the front. Because I've done my hair like this before. Just do two ponytails with the braids in the front. You have the two front hairs in the front, or you can put in another one, two low buns. Like this. This one's also really cute. I really like this. Another one is have up and have it down. And you can leave some hair down or just put it back up. I'm so sweaty, bro. Or you can do two hot ponytails. Or you can do two top on buns. Or you could just keep it simple. Keep it as a middle part. Or do a side part. But that's it, y'all. I think it will look better if y'all tried it on y'all real hair or on y'all wig, but if it was glued down, my wig is just not glued down. Y'all already know what to do. Like, subscribe, and bye, y'all. Love y'all.